Yes, I'm live now. Let me see, bring this down. Just have to look on my phone to make sure the display is correct and the alright, let's see. OBS. Just take this smaller. If the mic is working. Is the mic working? One. Stream 45. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna assume I'm let's see. All right. Okay, in this first I want to welcome you if your live is on. I want to upload and in the last video let me see. In the last one okay, what I did last time is set up 3 websites in 3 instances. The first one was the barber. This is one of them. So look at this website. It's nice. So if you want to build a website for a barber shop, or if I want to do it myself, we can do that. You can use somebody else's design, like I mentioned last time. One of the places where I get my design is the theme forest, and I got this one. It's called the Mega One. Basically, it's a package. It's got so many websites, so many themes for different types of websites. So this one is for a barber shop, and look how nice it is. It's got some animation. It's got all pages. This is the home. This is the about. This is the shop. Gallery. Theme. Reviews. Contact. So all what you have to do on this one is change the videos or the picture up. So this is an example. If you're like myself, starting new with web development, I'm not a web designer, like I'm not a graphic designer, so it's very hard for me to put together the graphics, the text, the images. This is why it's good to use a theme which is already done for you. You just have to upload it and install it on your website, and you have to do some editing using a Visual Studio Code editor or any other types of editors. And you need you need this FTP software. It's called FileZilla, where you see your files on your local machine, and when you log in to your FTP server, you can get access to your website and the files and directories, and this is how you upload or change files. This is very important to know if you want to set up a website. So let's look at the second website that we have. celebrity. So this is another one. So again, you got the home page, the about. I did some editing on this one. I added some text here. Uh, my project. This is press release, and you can change those pages if you want. Like, you have a press release, it does services. You can have images, and it's got a slider here. You can add more than one images. This is the project, it says here, and this is my name here, and it's not complete. I was just trying to test some text and make some changes. Another one is the let me see. One is, let me see, hotspot. So this is another one I uploaded to my website. This is a website itself, but it's in a subdirectory of my main website. My main website is georgekc.com, and I set it up in a subdomain. It's called Agency Hotspot, and you look at it, it's very nice too. I think I showed it in the last video. If you scroll down, you get some animation, some text, some icons here. Some images. And you have the menu on the side. I usually like the menu on the top, but it's home, about, our team, portfolios. You can click on each one of them. About, this is a one-page website, so basically everything is on one page. You just have to scroll down, and you can so again, guys, if you're interested in learning how to set up a website, or if you want me to set up a website for you, there are links in the description. We can discuss it over a 30-minute free consultation. It's for free. Just there's a link on the bottom. We have a course coming up, online course. It's gonna explain some details on how I do this, how to set up a website, and you upload it to your website. And this is for someone he doesn't have a lot of experience in building website, or who is not a web developer like myself. I'm just starting anew with HTML, CSS, and I don't consider myself a programmer, advanced programmer, or coder. So the links are in the bottom if you want to join the waiting list for my course. It's not ready yet, but I'm just trying to test the and if you have any questions, you can email me. My email in the bottom of this the box, the description box, george.k.c.chamoun@gmail.com. Everything, there's 3 links I think in the description. So now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna upload a new website now, a new website theme to show you how I do it. But let me just look at the title to see. After I downloaded my one, I'm done with this one, right? Let's close this one here. Let me see. Okay, so again, it's called they still sell it. You can download it if you want and use it. And once you download it, it's gonna look like this one here, this folder. It's gonna be a zip file. I think I went this over yesterday, but I want to go again over it. So this is the name of the zip file and how big it is, So you just have to extract it, and I did extract it to this folder here. to do it. And you have to go to the main. You have so many of them. So let's say you have the ad agency, the hotspot, everything. You got every single one of those. We have to use the design agency. So what I do, I go down. This is the design agency. So this is design agency. The way I do it, I create a folder on my desktop. This is gonna represent my this is the rename design agency. Enter. Design agency. Actually, I can copy and paste it as is. Copy. Actually, paste it here. Okay, it's copied now. And then I need the home page, and the home page is the index page. And when you go down all the way, these are the index pages. This is the home page. It's in the same folder. So I'm gonna look for design agency. This is the design agency. So I'm gonna copy it and paste it. Copy and paste it here. Paste. And then we have to use the vendor like I mentioned last time. I read the documentation file folder, and it's got some files in it, and this is common to every theme. So you have to copy and paste it for every theme. So let's make a copy. Okay, so now I'm gonna upload to my website. Gonna go up. Yeah, this is it right here, design agency. From the theme here. Now I'm gonna upload it to my website. So what I do, I use the file Zilla. It's an FTP software where you can transfer files between your computer and your code editor and your website, the web server. So first you have to log. So it's gonna be ftp dot, and this is my domain name, georgekc.com. I enter. Okay, now I'm gonna hit quick connect and see. Put them in a comment if you have any questions or any comments. Feel free to add any questions or any comments so I can help you right now. I'm live now. So now I'm gonna log into my FTP server on my. So I'm logged into my web server now, to my web hosting account. This is where you upload files and folders when you set them up on your computer. So if you look here, you can see, I don't know, they're not gonna be too clear for you, but you get the idea. So now I'm gonna look at. Okay, the one, I think it was the design. Okay, that's the design agency here. Upload the design agency. Upload. You have to make sure you're at the root directory. You have to make sure where you at, so how to access it later on. So upload. I'll be back in 1 second. I want to get some water. 1 second. Okay, it's still uploading because I'm looking at my screen here and it shows in the queue there's 4.1 megabytes. There's a lot of files, that's why it takes time. You just have to wait. Nothing you can do when the files are being transferred, so you just have to wait. Okay, so you get a message. It says transfer finished. All files have been successfully transferred. So now the theme is uploaded to the website. We just have to access it now. And the way you access it is get to the website. Going back to georgekc.com and going to the forward design agency. So design agency, enter. Okay, it gave me 403 forbidden home page. We need to get to the home page. Oh, okay, this is the home page here. So it's index .html, enter. The else's theme. If you're not a graphic designer and a web designer, you're trying to set up a website, you're trying to be a web developer like myself. An example here, it says design. Look at this nice website. It has the menu here, home, about, work, price, contact, everything. Even though without the clicking on the menu, you just scroll down and you see the it's very nice, you know, it's very nice and it's cheap, but you have to learn how. You see, you got, even you can change the pictures, you can change the text, and that's it. You get a web and a code editor like Visual Studio Code. So going down, we are digital agency, takes you back. So, and it's got some animation, happy customer, happy client, line of codes, this and that. And then you have the meet the team page, and you have all of those you can change. You just need the you can keep those, you just name the names, you know, change the names. And now it says latest creative work. And what's nice, they're giving you the sizes. It says 1140 by 650. The next one, same size. So basically, they're giving you everything you need. You just have to add your images and text, and you end up with a website. It's very nice, but it depends what you need it for. This is great for someone who's a freelancer. It's like a brochure website. It doesn't have a database. It's not like WordPress or other website where you have a database. This is like it's a static website. It has HTML, CSS, some animation, and some JavaScript. Not much, you know. It doesn't have a back end database. You can change those too. Design, and you can have a blog. You know, you can add blogs. You know, like articles. And then you have a contact form here, and you have your address, everything here, email. So basically it's very easy to set up your own website, or make a website for what's a domain name, what's a web hosting. I mean, look at me now. I'm setting up this. I know the basics of HTML and CSS, but I didn't write any line of code for this website. It's already ready, you know, it's already made for me, you know. So this is how you leverage your web design skill, because you're not they're very cheap. Like this whole package I got for HTML CSS themes, it was about, I think, $16. It's got so many websites, but the thing is, you cannot use it for commercial purposes. You have to read their licenses. You know, the license, you have to pay for the license, I think. That you can have somebody else buy it, like, or you know, whoever wanna buy it. It's for your personal use. You can use it for your website, and that's it, you know. But if you want to use it for commercial purposes and install websites, you have to pay for the license, and they have the details on their website, the theme forest. So let's look again at the barber shop. So basically this one, just take a look at this. It's very nice. It's got so many nice elements to it. Let's look at the one we did before again, the barber. This is for a barber shop. Picture or image and a background, and they give you the sizes. It is the about page. You got some animation. You got so this, you're not doing any transaction, and there's no database embedded in them. They're static. So basically they're like a brochure website. Like if you're a freelancer, or like here they give you, or a restaurant, or you know, like this one, he has the prices, men's haircut, beard lineup, you know. So you're not paying online. When you go there you pay, but basically e-commerce, you know, it's just for it's like your business card online. That's what it is. So and you got pictures here, and you can script mask, you know, and then you got the so basically you just have to add pictures and names for the business, and this is the contact form, and this is the name of the template. See, if I can do it, I can install this. Anybody can install it. It's not that difficult. Let's look at the other one, the celebrity website. Celebrity. I added some text here, and they give you the sizes. You can add pictures, upload them, but you still have to know how to edit them in a code editor. Like if you want to upload an image, you have to look at the code, and you need to know how to do it. You know how to upload the picture, and contact. This is also a simple website. So let's look at another one we did before. Now another website. I like this one. This one I like. You know, it's got different style. So this is another if you want to learn how to set up a website like what I'm doing now, how to upload your a theme that you bought to your website and set it up. I have a course coming up, and the link is in the bottom. There's a waiting list. It's not ready yet, but add your name so when it's ready, I will let you know. And also, if you need, you have any questions for me, I can. We can have a 30-minute free consultation. It's gonna be free, 30-minute free call. You can call me. You just have to go to the link below and set up an appointment. And also, I have my email address. So again, this was a live presentation on Thursday night, December 9th, a website using a pre-made templates, and I showed you different ones. And I'm gonna be starting this service to offer this service, and I don't have any details yet, but it's gonna be a service that I can offer, so I can set up a website for you. And another service I might come up with, I'm gonna be creating a course, so you can, if you want to do it your own, you can just get the course and follow the steps and the procedure. It will be nice if you know some basic HTML, CSS, and the basics of like what's a domain name, what's web hosting, and what's a code editor, and all of these I can help you with. So so that's it for this presentation. If you have any questions, please let me know. I can hang out for a few minutes in case you have any questions. I can answer you live right now. So you can just add your comments or questions in a box if you have any questions. This live call now, live presentation, and you're watching this in the future, you can still add your comments or questions, and you can still use the links below in the description to email me or set up a free 30-minute consultation call, or join the waiting list for my course. When I started to learn so I think no one have any questions, and I don't see any comments or questions in the comment in the chat box. So I guess I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna wrap it up, and I want to thank you for attending, whether you were okay. That's it. See you in the next live stream.